Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales, here today looking at our in-dash dump body control options here, as well as the electric high lift tailgate and electric tailgate latch option. So this is nice in the case of like this truck where you have the bench seat and there's no room there, or if you just want to have extra room between your seats for something else, your lunchbox, whatever it may be. So this is an option here. So these are air-powered controls. So the main thing that's different between the air-powered controls and the regular cable control, where the cable's connecting directly to the pump and that would be between the seats, is you can't really feather it as easily as you can with the cable controls. So with the air one, it's more going up as fast as it can go or going down as fast as it can go. But you can just kind of creep down by just going, you know, down and then putting it back to a stop, and that'll kind of lower the bed slowly if you needed to. Another nice option with these air controls is the PTO. When you turn the PTO on, and then as soon as you go to lower the bed, it will automatically and then flip the switch down. So in that case, you don't get the pump left on and end up burning up your pump because you forgot to shut the PTO off. And then we still have the bed up indicator light right there, and this is actually the lift axle switch. We set this up for that, and this is the high lift tailgate, and this is the tailgate latch. Another nice thing about these switches here is the light comes on. So you know when that light's on, your tailgate latch is open. So that's another, you know, nice safety feature with these. And then here's the high lift tailgate right there. And there we have the lift axle control as well. So we don't have the light come on that one. And then there's the bed up indicator light. So when the bed's up, the light comes on letting you know that the bed is on. This also has a PTO light right there as well. So that PTO light comes on when the PTO is on. I'll go ahead and turn it on. Go ahead and push in the clutch, push in our yellow button here. You got to hold that down while you turn the PTO switch on. PTO light is on, letting out the clutch slowly. I can hear that the PTO is on, so I'm going to go ahead and raise the bed. And there it is, bed up indicator light coming on. I know my tailgate is open, the latches and the high lift, because I got the light on there. And there it is, bed's going up. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.